over. Okay. Start session. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? Today I will introduce Bajaj Finance Limited. Competent and louder way. Competent, louder way. No. Not now, not now, not now. Okay. 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 Okay, okay. Competent and louder. Okay. Slide 1, introduction. Second, company overview and business model. Then financial data, historical stock price, industry comparison, technical analysis, future outlook, then recommendation. Stock name Bajaj Finance Limited. Stock code Baj Finance. Market information NSE India. Stock price 7,386.20. Website and Chief Executive Officer. This company founded in India June 1987. Banking companies are subject to specific regulatory frameworks that govern their operations, such as banking acts and regulations set by the Central Bank of Financial Regulatory Authority of a country. Non-banking companies, on the other hand, may be regulated under different laws, depending on their specific industry or sector. Banking services or banking companies primarily provide financial services such as accepting deposit, granting loans, issuing credit cards, facilitating electronic fund transfers, and offering various types of accounts such as saving, checks. They typically have a strong focus on managing money, providing payment services, and financial intermediation. Non-banking companies, on the other hand, may offer a wide range of services unrelated to traditional banking activities. These can include insurance, leasing, investment management, financial advisory, securities trading, factoring, real estate development, and other non-financial products or services. In conclusion, non-banking companies can give more flexibility for short and long-term investment. So, Bajaj Finance Limited is non-banking financial company, NBFC, based in India. It operates under the business model of providing various financial services to customers across different segments. The company primarily focuses on consumer finance, offering loans and credit facilities for purchasing consumer durables, electronic, two-wheelers, and other lifestyle products. Additionally, Bajaj Finance provides loans for personal expenses such as travel, education, healthcare, and home renovation. It's also offers SME, which means small and medium enterprises, loans for business expansion and working capital requirements. The company has diversified its product portfolio to include commercial lending, rural finance, and wealth management services. Bajaj Finance follow a customer-centric approach, aiming to provide convenient and accessible financing solutions. The company leverages technology and data analytics to streamline its operations, assess creditworthiness, and deliver seamless customer experience. Bajaj Finance had a wide distribution network with a strong presence in urban and rural areas, reaching out the customer through partnership with retailer and dealers. Overall, Bajaj Finance business model revolve around providing tailored financial solution to individual, small, medium enterprises and businesses, focusing on consumer lending, small, medium enterprise lending, commercial lending, and wealth management services. It emphasizes on innovation, customer satisfactions, and widespread reach has contributed to its growth and position as a prominent player in this field. So, to have a short look about this company, we have market capitalization. It's around 4,365 trillion Indian rupees. Dividend yield for year 0.42%. Price to earning ratio trailing 12 months. This TTM means trailing 12 months. It's about 38. Total revenue is 414.06 billion Indian rupees. Gross profit, it's very important, 64%. EBITDA, which means earning before interest and tax, depreciation and amortization. It's about 46%. EBIT, which means earning before interest and tax. It's about 45%. The most important is net income. Net income, which means net profit. It's 28%, around 115.08 billion Indian rupees. So you can notice in the picture on the right side, dividend and earning both showing growth. Also, we have revenue and earning per share also show growth. As you can see in this picture, the stock has shown a good performance since 2013, except 2020 and 2020. Indian indices settled in red on Monday amid a sell-off in global equities. The weak global sentiment and the profit booking in the domestic market buried BSE, Sensex, and NSE Nifty early day gains. At the close, the Sensex slumped 216.28 points, or 0.4%, 63.168 for 30, while the Nifty slide 70.50 points, or also 0.4% to 18.755.50. On the other hand, HDFC Life Insurance and Bajaj Finance were the top gainer. This is very important. HDFC and Bajaj Finance were the top gainer. This is at July 19, last Monday. Based on data last week, both technical indicator MACD, RSI indicate an upward trend in stock price for long-term and short-term investment. You can notice RSI. We have a lot of point here, over both, but there is a few point here over sold. For MACD, you can notice the blue line cross the yellow line under the zero line or above the zero line. So it's a good opportunity now to buy or at least to reduce position. This is more information about the stock now. You can notice symmetric triangle. You can notice RSI indicator, MACD indicator, and technical indicator. So for RSI, we use RSI to discover over both points and oversold points. You can notice the purple line here, For MACD, we use zero line and MACD line and signal line. If blue line and yellow line under the line zero, that means upward trend. If under the line zero, that means the company is downtrend position. For technical indicator, this technical indicator is about more than 5 indicators. It combines between so many indicators. You can notice here moving average, oscillation, and all indicator for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So this indicator have some recommendation for you. So all this indicator talk about buy or strong buy or neutral or to sell. So the most indicator here suggests to buy. Future outlook. With Indian recovery economy, Bajaj Finance is primed to benefit and sustain growth as a leading of NBFC in India. It can leverage its market share and operation to capitalize on the improving economic condition. Its strong financial performance and focus on fitness position is for future growth. High-level pollution and raising awareness about the importance of health insurance could be a good chance for investing. Company services diversity such as personnel expenses, travel, education, and home renovation for individuals, small, medium enterprises, and businesses made it very important player in Indian investment. You can notice in the picture the future outlook. So many analyses talk about this company. So the majority suggest a strong buy, and the majority expect this price share will reach to 9,000, and very minority of analysis talk about this price share will go down to 5,080. This is about earning per share and revenue. You can notice 2016, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it's expected for this company to move upward. For revenue, the same. For evaluation, we have some positive points and negative points. Company is expected to give a good quarter. Company has delivered a good profit growth more than 35% over the last 5 years. For negative, stock is trading at 8 times its book value. This is not good. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. Share price growth from 6,228.10 at July 2021 to 7,196.55 at June 2023. More than 15.5% in only 2 years. Company annual revenue growth of 30%, more than 30%, outperforming its 3 years of 16%. Company has spent 30% of its operation revenue toward interest expenses and more than 12% toward employees' costs in the year ending at March 31, 2023. Stock gave a 3-year return of 168.61% as compared to Nifty 100. It's very important. More than Nifty 100, which gave a return of 79.99. This is very important. Stock generated 168.61% return as compared to Nifty Financial Services, which gave investor only 84.4% return on 3 years time period. Bajaj Finance ratios like CMP, PE, quarter profit, sales made better performance than other peers, other companies like Shriram Finance, Cholaman, and Bajaj Holding or SBI Cards. So it's better than other companies. You can notice compounded sales growth and compound profit growth and stock price and return on equity, ROE. For 5 years, it was 27%. For 3 years, it was 16%. For trailing 12 months, it becomes 31%. So a great growth this year. For compound profit growth from 36% to 63%. Stock price from 25% to 31%. ROE or return on equity from 19% to 23%. Balance sheet. You can notice from 2015 to 2023. It was minus 557. It becomes 14,483. For balance sheet, we have 3 kind of operation, 3 kind of balance sheet or net cash flow. We have operating activities, we have investing activities, we have financing activities. For operating activities, it was negative. For investing activities, it was negative, but now it's positive. For financing activity, always positive, and today is uptrend. PFL is developing this company, this administration of this company is developing 5 properties, marketplaces. These involve number 1, EMI store. Second, the insurance marketplace. 3, investment marketplace, and PFL Health. And the last one is a broking app with the help of a group company. These 5 apps will provide customer with an option to review, compare, and buy host of financial products and services across electronic, insurance, investment, and health Gatecore, having received approval for running its own wallet business. PFL has developed a wallet application called Bajaj Pay, like Alipay, for example. Bajaj Pay. This will offer an integrated payment solution comprising UBI, BBI, EMI, a method of payment card, and a credit card to its customer. The company started offering Bajaj Pay to its customer in the first quarter of 2022 last year. As a result of its deeply embedded risk culture and robust risk management practices, the company portfolio quality as March 31, 2022 continue to remain strong. Consolidate gross NPA at 1.79% and net NPA at 0.75% are among the lowest in the NBFC industry. PFL continue to repivot its mix toward lower risk assets like mortgages. It also continue its strategy for acquire and cross-sell to manage cost of portfolio risk based on its experience of an existing customer demonstrating significantly lower credit risk than a new customer and ensure acceptable risk across portfolio over the cycle. Last one, recommendation. It's important to remember that every individual financial situation and risk tolerance are unique. First one, you should set clear investment goals. Determine your financial objective. Second, create a diversified portfolio. Third, conduct thorough research. 3, consider your risk. 4 or 5, invest for long term. Regularly review all the time. Review the news, catch up with the news, try to learn more, to discover more, and consider seeking professional advice. If you cannot understand, you can seek for a professional advice. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening.